First of all, I thankful to you, Sir Yasin Shakir, for organizing such a great and wonderful program. This is really wonderful program for both personal and professional skills. I think everyone need it. The people who asked what you can do in a short of time, I asked this packed a lot of information and skills in short time. I recommend everyone to join this consultancy to improve yourself.
I am Avshak Far from Illahabad. I am an intermediate student. No speaking skills and confidence, but now, thank you, sir. I had to speak English with confidence.
Assalamu alaikum, guys. First of all, I say something for all of you. Life is an amazing thing. We flavor many sweet flavors. Skills enhancement course is such a sweet flavor that has changed my life. Really amazing and wonderful. I am decided to become a teacher. God will never leave you empty. He will replace everything you want. If He asks you to put something down, it's because He wants you to put. Now I tell my experience in last 10 days. Before coming here, I don't have much confidence to speak something. Today I am very, very happy because my parents with me and I joined small consultancy. I learned many things from here, like how to speak in English. Last of all, I say something for all of you. You are special, you are unique, you are important. Always remember that, never doubt it for a moment. As guest, everyone should join it. Thank you for all of and thank you.
Everyone, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. I am Pakiza Shafiq. I am from Talwandi. I am intermediate. I am interested to recite the Holy Quran. I wanted to be a medical expert. I really like to this smart consultancy and training. I sure it will change your life. Thank you, Sir Yasin Shakir. You pay attention for my improvement. Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum everyone and my teachers. I am Rimsha. I am from Illahabad. I am intermediate. I am interested in English. Skills are so important. I got now. I was just focused on studies, but now realized skills are the most needed thing that make us able to tackle life. Thank you, small consultancy and training for such a wonderful opportunity. I am very thankful my teachers and my Sir Yasin Shakir. I am happy today.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, thanks for giving me opportunity to speak myself. I am Mozma Arshad. I am from Bagiwal. I am graduate. I wanna to be a teacher. First of all, I thanks for my parents and my trainer Sir Yasin Shakir for your kind support. When I come here, the atmosphere here is a way to learn. I liked it. I studied 14 years, but I did not learn much, which learned in 10 days. I will never forget these days. I am very happy to have the opportunity to do this course. I strongly advise for everyone to do this course because it will change your life. Again, thanks my parents.
I'm Aisha from Illahabad. I am intermediate. I wanted to become a doctor, but for this I need a place where we learn soft skills, where we learn way to communicate with others without fear. And I'm very thankful to Sir Yasin Shakir that gave us this opportunity. I think that sometimes we are confused, and I also confused when I decided to take this course. But after 10 days, I am able to communicate with others, and we use soft skills in every field of life that are very important. This is because of Sir Yasin, and again thanks, and I'm very happy today, and I think that everyone needed this course.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muqaddas Sabir. I am from Allahabad. I am an intermediate. I am interested in maths. I wanted to be an engineer. I am very happy because I joined this course. I am very excited before joining this course. I have learned a lot from this course. There has been a lot of change in me. I thank Sir Yasin Shaki. He taught us what was necessary for us. He told us about lifestyle. Now my behavior has changed considerably. I again thank Sir Yasin Shaki and my parents. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum. I am Muqaddas Sabir. I am from Allahabad. I am an intermediate. I am interested in maths. I wanted to be an engineer. I am very happy because I joined this course. I am very excited before joining this course. I have learned a lot from this course. There has been a lot of change in me. I thank Sir Yasin Shaki. He taught us what was necessary for us. He told us about lifestyle. Now my behavior has changed considerably. I again thank Sir Yasin Shaki and my parents. Thanks for watching.